Put your hands together for your choice for favorite album and favorite male country artist, Blake Shelton!
Wow. I love you too. Two People's Choice Awards, man, that's pretty cool. Got a lot of people to thank. All the people that voted for me, thank you so much. Thank you to Warner Nashville and my management, and thank the hottest date here tonight, Gwen Stefani, who's sitting out there. I do want to say, I think it's interesting. I look at that category of Album of the Year, and I know that somewhere out there, there's somebody going, I mean, how did he win Album of the Year? Like, isn't that just a country album full of stereotypical drinking and cheating and tailgates? And to that person, I say, you damn right it is. Thank you. Thank you.